Hey guys, now here we are here at hackthisco.uk 4, and this is level 5. And what we see here is as we come to this page, the first thing that we see is a prompt of password. It's asking for a password, and it seems that we need to enter some password here. And let's see what happens. And it says I has a sad end. I think we did not crack it yet. So as this is a JavaScript alert box that we had, or a prompt that we had, okay, so it's very probably that the code for JavaScript will be exposed at the client side, and we will be able to find out where is this script, and it will be loaded as a resource. So what we can do is we can look at the page source by right click and view page source, or command U or control U for Windows. Okay, once we are here, as this was a JavaScript, there are a lot of scripts and things written here. And so let's do one thing. This is a trick is we will search for script, script, and see what are the scripts that we have that's been mentioned in this source code in the back. And this seems to calling an Ajax call to Google. This is not the one. Not even these. Skipped a lot of those. Or this was a prompt tab, so we can also search with direct command as prompt. Okay, yeah, there we go. We see here there's a form that says JavaScript language is equal to JavaScript, where is equal to pass equal to prompt password. So this is what we were seeing, password. Okay, and it should pop up a window here, and this is the page source page. And the point to note here is something called password equal to is 9286 JAS. It seems that this is the password. Let's try this password out and see if this cracks this level here. We'll refresh this page. It's taking a while. Yep, we are up again, and I'll just paste the same password here and see. Yes, it did work out, and we have completed this level also. Again, it seems like all the levels in level main is with the problems due to the security problems, that it is due to the source code only. We are embedding our credentials directly into the source code that's getting exposed towards the client side. All the vulnerabilities are here. So this is quite a practice that to find for vulnerabilities in the source code itself. That's the first thing that you get exposed, your application that exposes off. So that's a nice place to start with. So if you like this tutorial, so please do like, subscribe and comment. And I will be back again with the next level, that is level 6 now. Thanks for watching.